So today we will start with internal capsule. Now internal capsule is nothing but it is a broad and compact band of afferent and efferent fibers which are connecting cerebral cortex with brainstem and spinal cord. So internal capsule has got both motor as well as sensory fibers, and these are the fibers which are connecting to the cerebral cortex and brainstem and spinal cord. These fibers are reaching from periphery to the brain and also from brain to the periphery. And these band of fibers which are connecting cerebral cortex to brainstem and spinal cord, this band of fibers is called as internal capsule. Now this internal capsule has got mainly three divisions here. Three structures are there in the internal capsule. One is called as anterior limb, posterior limb and genu. This internal capsule has got mainly three structures. This internal capsule is situated in between thalamus and caudate nucleus on the medial side and lenticular nucleus on the lateral side. So this internal capsule, on the medial side it has got thalamus and caudate nucleus, and on the lateral side it has got lenticular nucleus, and it has got mainly three divisions here. One is, there are two limbs are there. One is called as anterior limb, second one is called as posterior limb, and in between these two limbs there is a genu which lies in between the internal capsule. So here you can see the internal capsule. On anterior, here on medial side there is thalamus and caudate nucleus. On medially there is thalamus and caudate nucleus, and laterally there is this one is lenticular nucleus, and this one is thalamus, and this one is caudate nucleus. On medial side there is caudate nucleus and thalamus, and on lateral side there is lenticular nucleus in the internal capsule. So this internal capsule has got mainly three divisions here. Here you can see it has got anterior limb, posterior limb, and there is a genu. In anterior limb of internal capsule is short and it lies between lenticular and caudate nucleus. So here you can see this is anterior limb. It lies between the caudate nucleus and lenticular nucleus. This one is lenticular nucleus and this one is caudate nucleus. So this anterior limb lies in between caudate nucleus and lenticular nucleus. Then the posterior limb is long and it is situated between thalamus and lenticular nucleus. Here you can see this is the posterior limb. It lies between, this one is lenticular nucleus and this one is thalamus. So the posterior limb, it lies between thalamus and lenticular nucleus. And the third one is the genu. The genu is situated between the anterior and the posterior limb. So genu is something which is situated between anterior and posterior limb. Here you can see this genu. This genu is situated between anterior limb and posterior limb. Then the caudal portion or the posterior portion, which is also known as retrolenticular portion of internal capsule. The posterior portion or the caudal portion of internal capsule is also known as retrolenticular portion. So this is about the internal capsule. So internal capsule is nothing but it is a band of fibers.